good morning. We're here right now at downtown Whitehorse. So today is Canada Day and we're going to attend a parade with the Canadian Filipino Association here in Yukon. So kita-kits mamaya. Bye. Dito pa tayo sa Main Street.
Ay, kasi mamaya dami ng tao niyan. Lalo na
And kailangan pang guys start ng parade. Pero maaga kami. It's 10 a.m. Mga Pilipino. Namimit natin. Morning po. Yeah, that's our parade float. The Canadian Filipino. Canadian Filipino float.
Oh.
So we're going to join there. Okay.
And everyone go on there?
Yeah. Caleb.
Caleb, get here. There's a spiky rock under my foot. Where are you? Are you just...
James. Copy.
May sinend akong letter.
Dali picture ko kayo dyan.
Franco. I'm here.
This is yours.
No, that's mine.
Again, guys.
I'm right now how to fly. I need just a little.
Going to say to Canada Day.
My sticker. Happy
Caleb.
What are you going to say about Canada Day?
Canada Day.
What are you going to say?
Caleb, Daddy, yung water, lalagyan natin siya sa muk.
Here? You want here?
Ay, Caleb, come here. I'll put in your face. Here. Ayun. I'll put you in the face, Franco. Maya mo tagkalin mo, maya.
Ah, look at your face. Here.
Oh.
Here. Don't touch it. Oh. Yawa ako. Franco. Another one.
Okay, we have Canada naman. You want more tattoo here? Canada?
We're just going to the parade. Sige. Going to buy na lang ha.
perfect.
Doon sila ngayon sa float. Yung dalawang kids na sa float. Franco. Sit down lang ha. Franco.
Okay, approve. Thumbs up. Thank you.
Chinese community. Chinese.
Ready now, ready oh. Ready
Korean, Filipino, Chinese. Tara na.
Next year,
I have no clue what that is.
Tsaka nandun si Frank Caleb.
How's Franco?
That's what is needed to entertain.
Ano ko? Kalab here.
That's needed.
Isang dangkal ang manggas, ang sayang deko na isang pyesa ang
Hindi pa patalo mga Pilipino.
sayaw kaning sayaw kuradang. Sayaw ta ang kuradang, ang sayaw na ginaraan. Mao'y paborito sa mga tutulang. Nga sayaw na kuradang.
Franco, ano? Sipon.
Hi, Caleb! Can you take picture? Yeah. Okay, 1, 2. Thank you. Pwede na tayo makapicture. So guys, we-start na siya. At may parade. Ang lamig. Ang lamig ngayon. Short lang kasi ako.
Paano ano yun? Pwede yun. Daddy, medyo i-features mo ito ano. Caleb, Franco. Caleb, say hi. Our president. Hello po. Highlight!
Mga Pilipino, hindi to yan. Sila Caleb nandun sa float, tsaka si Frank. Ayan, ayan sila. Fans pa.
Nasaan? Sorry ka sa'yo, sumama ka eh.
Nagparade ka pala.
O, sige, message kita.
Ay, minasend mo ba ako dito sa basa? Go, go, go!
Ano, teacher, kaya pa si Kai? Kaya yan, Kai. Kaya. Nandun sa ano, hindi mo sinakay sa float. tumingin. Siyempre, panoorin mo yung aming vlog. Sige, sa side. Oo.
Day. So, for 15 years po laging umuulan and nakisama yung panahon.
Kaya sexy naman itong isa na to. Si Shala. Gusto ko talaga makuha yung nandun.
TV. Pag Pinoy singer. Pilipino lang merong banda. Tahan natin sila. Yeah, hi. Okay naman sila ron. Si Franco nandun na sa unahan. Nandun na sa unahan ng float. Nandun na, naggawa. Kapalun na doon. I think it's today. Hello. So dito ngayon ako. Tapos na yung parade. Nandito kami sa shipyard. Shipyard Park. There. Dito ko ngayon. Ayan mga kapatid. Parang ako nasa United Nations. Hello. Ayan. Nasa River Inn daw sila. Dito na natin. Natin kung nasa, hindi ko alam saan yung part, pero sundan na lang natin yung, ayan sila. Okay. Maybe Happy Canada Day. Ma-picture tayo. Ay, tinupina na natin. Pa-picture sana. Picture sana tayo sa Philippine flag. Saan pupunta? Saan na yung float nila, Diana? Wala. Ayun, Raven Inn. Ayun, Raven Inn. Kala dito, buti hindi ako dito nag-park. Tawid tayo, tawid. Dito na pala tayo sa... Saan pumunta yung mga yun? Sila makita. Ay, text sabi mo. Nawala. Ayun, nakita ko na. Boot ng Philippines. Yung tayo sa boot ng Philippines. Okay. Maya ulit. Bye. Hi. Hello. Hi. Wala lang. Pa-picture lang kami. Nagpa... lang.
But where are we?
Sa bubbles. Ba yan? Bubbles. Bubbles.
Look,
Yeah. Thank you.
I want floaty. I want a floaty.
Hindi sila ng baon. Balunit. Yan. Paramedic. Emergency. EMS. Ambulance. So,
Ay, para may...
what do you want? What do you want? Yeah, how much for this? This one you want? Hi, thank you. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Go back here. You sit down here. Sit down. I'm going to eat popcorn. Okay, dito na open. May bayad. Bayad dyan. There is a payment, Caleb. Oh, it's free. Let's go. Lakad na lang tayo kasi malapit na tayo. Yeah, we're near. Maybe let's take picture here. What?
Starting to get. I want to eat something else. It's starting to get. It's just starting to get over here.
Nothing good.
Yes, just taste of this. They are ice. I really need to go pee.
Let's go. Come here. Look at that. Yeah.
What?
Told you on Saturday, right? Yung real fish. Bibili ako ng ink. Tapos i-ink natin.
Need to go pee.
So, ang dami namin na pamigay. Flyers. So, let's go. Bye. So guys, nandito kami sa Old Railroad. Ayan. Here. Come here, Caleb. Ayan. Ayan, no? So, let's go. Ayan na, ayan, no? Ayan na, ayan na. Grabe. Park. Lakat na kami. Mali, ang mali ko. Ang layo ng pinarkingan. Marami pa ng bakanting parking slot. So ito po yung railway.
I'm going to lay down here.
Do you want to go to McDo? Okay. Say hi, Caleb. Oo. Let's go here. The ice cream.
You guys get some ice cream. I need to go. Alright? Go pee.
Go to pee. Wait na, Caleb. So yan. Pili kami ng ice cream.
I really like the large ones. It's so
Chocolate?
good. Yes. The cup ice cream and the large. I hope that same thing won't happen to me again. Remember when we got the ice cream? Yeah.
That's yours. You're the bigger child.
Small na lang.
Yeah.
We'd like to order a football country. One
Cup ice cream.
Okay?
Cup ice cream. Ramen.
Another?
Cup ice cream. Ramen. Cup ice cream. Cup ice cream. Cup ice cream, Daddy. What's the twister? What's a twister?
I don't know.
What's the twister?
They answer you. Say Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day.
And we're done.
It's done. Ready for
What's the caramel apple pops?
No, that's enough now. Franco, don't do that.
Come here. Strawberry. Wow.
Dating sakay na kayo dun. Oo, nasakyan.
So meron po kami rito. Ano to? What's this?
Open it.
Rice.
Wala na ba? Hindi mo na ba nagagamit yung camera?
Anong camera?
Hindi may camera.
Magagamit. Back camera yan eh. Yeah, rice. May rice pa. Ano kita ba? We have rice.
And we have
double chocolate.
triple chocolate.
Triple chocolate. And meron po tayong bagong-bagong init na igado. Look at that, the igado. Yeah, and meron tayong popcorn from Kettle Corn.
And it's sweet and
We have tawag dito?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Wait, let's eat.
too late.
First rice.
Ito papasword ko na to. Yung parang yung kay
No. Unhealthy. Picture.